Hi, it's Anna. Welcome back to my simple English life. Today, we are going to clean my room together, slowly and calmly. And of course, we will learn easy English while we clean. If you enjoy this cozy, soft English content, please like, comment, and subscribe to support my little channel. It means so much to me. Okay, let's start. First, let's make the bed. My bed is a little messy right now. You can see my blanket, my pillows, and the bedsheet underneath. The bedsheet is the fabric that covers the mattress. The blanket keeps me warm at night, and the pillows are for my head. I think making the bed is a wonderful way to begin the day. It creates a feeling of peace and order. A tidy room helps me have a tidy mind. I always start my day by making my bed. It makes the room feel fresh and tidy. I take the blanket and pull it up to the top of the bed. Then, I smooth it out with my hands, making sure there are no wrinkles. I like it when it looks very smooth and neat. After the blanket is smooth, I place the pillows nicely at the top, right against the headboard. It looks so inviting and comfortable now. Let's learn some simple English words from this part. The first word is blanket. Can you say it with me? Blanket. Good. The next word is pillow. Pillow. And the last one is sheet. Sheet. We also used the word tidy, which means clean and organized, and smooth, which is the opposite of wrinkled or messy. You can say this with me. I make my bed in the morning. Good job. Now, let's pick up the laundry. Sometimes, clothes end up on the floor or on a chair instead of in the closet. That's okay. These are dirty clothes. They need to be washed. I put them in the laundry basket. This is my laundry basket. It's where I collect all my dirty clothes until it's time to wash them. Looking at what we have here, I have some shirts, and some socks, and a soft sweater. Sometimes I forget to put them away when I'm tired. It happens. It's normal. Don't feel bad if your room gets messy sometimes. We are all human, and life can be busy. The important thing is to take a little time, calmly and slowly, to make it clean again. It is a form of self-care. Let's review the English words we just used. The main word is laundry. This word can mean the dirty clothes, or it can also mean the act of washing clothes. We also have the basket, where we put the laundry. The clothes are dirty, which means they are not clean. The general word for what we wear is clothes. And these are socks, which we wear on our feet. Repeat with me. I put my clothes in the laundry basket. Good. Very simple. Let's move to my desk. It's a little messy today. My desk is where I work, write, and read, so it's important for it to be a clean and inspiring space. Right now, it has some books, papers, and a cup on it. Let's clean it together. This is a cloth. It is soft. I use it to wipe the desk. Wipe means to clean the surface by moving the cloth across it. I will spray a little bit of gentle cleaner and then wipe everything down. I also have some notebooks, my favorite pens, and my laptop here. I will put everything in the right place. The notebooks go on this little shelf, and the pens go into this cup. I will close my laptop and place it in the center. When my desk is clean, my mind feels calm. A clear space helps me to think more clearly and feel less stressed. It feels so much better now. Here is some soft vocabulary from this section. The first word is desk. Let's say it together. Desk. This is a cloth. Cloth. And the action is to wipe. Wipe. I also have my notebook, where I write my thoughts, and my laptop, which is my computer. And the feeling we want to achieve is calm. Calm. Let's repeat this sentence. I clean my desk to feel calm. Wonderful. Now, let's organize the small things. These little items can often make a space feel cluttered if they don't have a home. I have a few things on my nightstand that need to be put away. These are hair ties. I use them to put my hair up. This is lip balm, to keep my lips soft. And this is my journal, where I write before I go to sleep. I put them in a small box to keep everything neat. This little wooden box is perfect for holding all these small treasures. When everything has its own place, it's easy to find and the room looks much more organized. The word neat means clean and organized. It's a lovely, simple word. I feel so much more peaceful when my things are neat. Let's try saying this together. I like to keep my room neat. Very good. Finally, let's do a little dusting. Dust can collect on surfaces we don't use every day, like shelves. This is a duster. It has soft feathers that are very good at catching dust. I use it to remove dust from the shelves. Dust is the fine powder of tiny particles that settles on furniture. I go slowly, left to right, up and down. I gently brush the duster over the top of my bookshelf and along the edges of my picture frames. It's a very quiet and gentle activity. This is what I call light cleaning. It's not deep, heavy work. It's just a soft touch to make everything fresh again. Let's learn these soft English words. The little particles are called dust. Dust. The tool I am using is a duster. Duster. I am cleaning the shelf. Shelf. The action is to remove. Remove. And we can call this light cleaning. Light cleaning. Please repeat after me. I dust the shelves. Excellent. And now, the room feels fresh, clean, and peaceful. I always feel happier when my environment is calm like this. Taking the time to slowly and mindfully clean my space is a gift I give to myself. It helps me to reset and relax. The air feels lighter, and my mind feels clearer. Let's practice one more sentence together. My room is clean now. Beautiful. Thank you for cleaning with me today. I hope you learned some easy English and felt relaxed at the same time. I love sharing these quiet moments with you. It feels like we are sharing a cup of tea while we tidy up our lives together. If you like these gentle videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps my tiny English channel grow, and I appreciate you so much. Every little bit of kindness helps me continue to make these videos for you. I read all of your comments and they make me so happy. See you next time. Bye bye.